Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a Zoom meeting link and invite others. So first and foremost is you have to download the Zoom application in your laptop or PC, and then after that, just open it and then you just have to sign up or sign in to your account. So once you're here, all you have to do is to simply click on this new meeting option. You also have here the meetings option where you can schedule a meeting. So I'm just going to create new meeting. All right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. All right, so right here, just have to turn on your audio and your video. You can also add a background before starting the meeting. So for example, this one. All right, after that, you just have to close this section and then click on the start option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here to invite people, all you have to do is to simply click on the meeting option or the meeting info. Okay, and then the next thing that you are going to do is to click on the view join info. Right, so right here you have your meeting ID, the passcode, the invite link. So all you have to do is to copy this link and then you just have to send it to your clients or to your team so that they can access this meeting. Okay, so you can use different platforms like Facebook Messenger. We also have WhatsApp, Telegram. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.